Hey everyone, today we are at the Big Texan Steak Ranch in Amarillo, Texas. We're going to go in and have a steak for lunch, and I don't know what else. We'll see.
Fudge.
Fudge. Oh yeah, that's right. We're going to have a lot of fudge. We came here the last time and they had really good fudge, so we're looking forward to getting some more of that.
He's scootering across the USA. He shows you the accessible way. He's the accessible traveler. The accessible traveler. He's the accessible traveler. He travels the accessible way. He's the accessible traveler.
Don't forget to subscribe. Oh yeah, it's the Longhorn Hotel.
They have the doggy corral.
That's neat. Yeah, they did.
I remember it's a large cow, a large bull
Yeah.
in front of the place.
Yep.
We'll get a selfie in front of him on the way out, I guess.
Yeah, for sure. Big Texan is world famous for the 72-ounce steak challenge. If you can eat a 72-ounce steak dinner in less than an hour, you get it for free. Otherwise, you have to pay for it. And I don't know how much it costs. I'm sure it's a lot at this point. Here's a ramp going up.
Busy in there yet. Do you want to look around the gift shop first?
That's fine.
Go see Rex.
Yeah, there you go.
We almost should have this.
Yeah, for sure. That's what you need. Here's what I need. How are you today? One thing I forgot to mention is the Big Texan's right on Historic Route 66 in Amarillo, Texas. What's your t-shirts? Now pass. Okay, the Big Texan since 1960. It's a pretty interesting menu. Let me see, mountain oysters. No, guys, I'm not going there. If you want to know what those are, go look it up on Google. Well, we have a lot of meaty items. Let me open the menu here. As you look over on the right side here, they have a really nice brewery that has a lot of neat drinks. You go down, they have a lot of beers, amber ales, IPAs, so you can pretty much have anything you want. Let's go up here to the beginning of the menu now. Welcome. And you look at the appetizers. Again, they have mountain oysters. I'm not going there. You'll have to look it up. Anyway, they have fried mushrooms, some onion rings, fried dill pickle spears. Then they have really big sandwiches. A little pricey, but I'll tell you, the stuff that you get on the sandwiches, you have plenty to eat. Then you go into the prime rib. You'll see here in a minute, I had the prime rib and it was absolutely delicious. You go on down, you see a lot of local favorites where they have barbecue combos, some southern fried chicken, things like that. And then we come back up and the side dishes, anything from sweet potatoes to potato salad, baked beans, drinks. They have teas, sodas, milk. Then you go on down the menu. Again, it's a pretty good menu. A lot of good things to eat. So let me switch over and you can see here what Susan and I had for lunch.
Want to see how good it is? It's very good. Caesar salad. They're not stingy, that's for sure.
No. So you got the Caesar salad.
Yes, I did.
And look, Susan. Look, Susan. I got a regular garden salad.
Yeah, it's good. Got a lot of Parmesan cheese on it. And they're not stingy. I mean, they give you this big thing. I'm like trying to pace myself because I know steak's coming. It's good. That's really.
So I ended up getting the lunch prime rib, and Susan got the lunch ribeye, and mine came with 2 sides, and I got a garden salad and steak fries, and Susan got the Caesar salad and
Cheesy potatoes.
the cheesy potatoes as sides,
The
and
sides are really.
we'll see what they look like when they get here. So Susan, how's your ribeye?
It is delicious. Absolutely delicious.
I ended up getting the prime rib. I've had a couple bites, and boy, I'll tell you, it's probably the best prime rib I've ever had. It's absolutely delicious, and they give you horseradish sauce and the au jus to go with it, and mix
They're not
those.
stingy.
No, they're very generous with their portions here.
And I love these. They give you whole jalapenos. I take those home and use them in my cooking.
Yes,
So,
she does.
they're really good.
All right. We really enjoyed our meal here today at the Big Texan Steak Ranch. We highly recommend it to anyone traveling through Amarillo, Texas. If you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and click the notification bell to be alerted every time we post a new video.